Caught in a tornado's path? Keep calm. Here's your survival guide in 60 seconds. First, if you're at home, head to your basement, storm cellar, or a small interior room on the lowest floor. No windows, please. If you're outdoors with no shelter nearby, lie flat in a ditch or a low-lying area. Protect your head and neck. Never try to outrun a tornado in your vehicle. Got a tornado watch in your area? That means tornadoes are possible. Stay alert. Tornado warning? That means a tornado has been sighted or indicated by weather radar. Take immediate action. Remember, tornadoes can form rapidly, so always be prepared and stay safe. Now you're tornado ready in just a minute.